everything you learned about gravity in school? Completely wrong. Gravity doesn't pull you down. In fact, gravity isn't even a force. And I can prove it to you in the next 3 minutes. Since Isaac Newton watched that famous apple fall in 1666, we've been taught that gravity is a force pulling objects towards Earth. Stand on a scale, gravity's pulling you down. Drop your phone, gravity yanked it to the ground. But here's where it gets weird. Einstein proved Newton wrong a century ago, and most of us still don't know it. Let's do a thought experiment. Astronauts on the International Space Station float around, right? Zero gravity up there. Wrong. The ISS orbits just 400 kilometres up. At that height, Earth's gravity is still 90% as strong as on the surface. So why are they floating? Because they're not being pulled, they're falling. The station and everything in it is in constant free fall around Earth. And here's the kicker. They feel absolutely nothing. No force, no pull, just weightlessness. Now imagine you're in an elevator. Cable snaps, you're plummeting down. Terrifying, yes, but you'd feel weightless, exactly like those astronauts. Same thing if that elevator was in deep space, accelerating upwards at 9.8 meters per second squared. You'd feel weight, you'd feel gravity. But there's no planet nearby. Einstein called this the Equivalence Principle, and it broke physics. If you can't tell the difference between gravity and acceleration, maybe they're the same thing. So what is gravity? Einstein showed us. It's the curvature of the space-time itself. Massive objects like Earth bend the fabric of space and time around them. You're not being pulled down, you're trying to move in a straight line through curved space. It's like rolling a marble on a warped surface. And that feeling of weight, that's not gravity pulling you down. That's the ground pushing you up. The floor is literally accelerating you upward through curved space-time, stopping you from following your natural path, which is free fall. Your entire life, you've had it backwards. And this isn't just theoretical physics nonsense. GPS satellites have to account for Einstein's curved space-time, or your maps would be off by kilometres. Every time you check your phone's location, you're proving gravity isn't a force. So next time you feel pulled towards Earth, remember, you're not falling down, the ground is pushing you up through a universe that's bent around you. So, is gravity a pulling force? Busted. It's space-time curvature, and Newton's been wrong for a century. If that just bent your brain, hit subscribe. We're busting more myths all the time. What scientific fact should we investigate next? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.